What the fuck is up, Century City?
Good morning from downtown LA. We are hunting for Sunny Angels and Labubus. Wish us luck, girls. Package secured. We both bought Labubus and Sunny Angels. So I think I'm gonna unbox my Sunny Angel first. Tara got hers.
Mine needs a friend.
Yes. Okay. Rainy Day series. I've been wanting this one. Here are our options. They're honestly all just like so cute. I would be happy with any of them. Genuinely. Which is the first. I'll pop it. Oh, okay. Okay, it doesn't really have like much on its head. Okay.
Do you think you got the secret?
Oh my gosh, no. Oh,
Or the-
I don't know.
What's this
I think I
Axo
might have
one?
I think I might have gotten the axolotl. Okay. Wait. Final answer, axolotl. I was right! Oh my gosh!
Goes with your nails.
So cute!
Let's get her up there. Oh, our two
Wait,
friends.
Obsessica!
We're taking her Labubu virginity.
Yes! Oh my gosh, okay. I have been hunting, searching far and wide for Labubus, and we found them, and I figured I had to get the Exciting Macaroon series because all the colors are so cute. Again, I think I would be happy with any of them. Like, you could just do so much with all of them. So, let's see what the world has given me today. Ooh, okay. I don't see the little thing, so it's gonna
good.
be a surprise. Cute! I got the cream one. Or wait, what is this? The soy milk one!
Oh,
My first Labubu!
so cute.